farms. Come pet the goats and take home soap. Get too close and they'll bite your thumb. Go pet the goat that makes your soap. Go relax and let your mind go numb. Tour the farm, it is super dope. Go see the naughty goats and bring them bananas. Did you know you can train a goat? Wouldn't it be super cute? Goats in pajamas. Did you know you can cuddle a goat? Jump 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, launch! Goats jump high, did you know that? Nope. Green fields far, so pack up a lunch. Please consider goat soap on a rope. Spit! They don't spit, no. That is llamas and these are goats. Goats! I love goats, you love goats, we love goats. Go see goats, 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 goats. Rapha farm is the goat of goats. Rapha farm is the goat of goats.
If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.